Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to check Snapchat trash bin. So basically, all you have to do is open your Snapchat application, and then you have to click this person icon at the top left corner. Now, the next thing to do is tap this gear icon at the top right corner, which is the settings here in your Snapchat. So tap this one. And what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and then you have to look for my data feature. So the reason why you need to look for that is that once you have export or look for the selected feature here on Snapchat, for example, photos, stories, and videos, once you ask for a file or export a copy of a file of these features such as videos, photos, stories, and so on, then probably in that way, you can check Snapchat trash bin. So including those files that you have deleted. So again, you have to click this My Data. And then after that, you have to select the part here, or you have to select the file like memories, stories, chats, chat history. All you have to do is to export this file. It could be HTML or JSON files in order for you to check Snapchat trash bin. So if you want to see the files that you have deleted from your chats, from your stories, you just have to select that. And then let's just say you want to see or check trash or deleted files from the specific time. So you can tap this last month, last year, or everything is up to you. So once you're done, all you have to do is to click submit and then wait for the Snapchat customer service team to send you the file through your email. So you have to check your email time to time. So if you want us to create another tutorial or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.